Welcome to our Smart Waste Virtual Hackathon. I can proudly say that you are taking part in a hackathon that belongs to an Australian New Zealand Smart Cities award-winning project, as we've been recognised for our contribution to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
Good evening, team. First of all, welcome and thank you for taking part in our Closing the Loop on Waste Hackathon. You represent some of the brightest minds with key expertise in your area. Most of you know that a hackathon by definition is an event in which a group, like yourselves, meet to engage and collaborate and come up with solutions to problems. You can use any trick, shortcut, skill or novelty method that meets our end game of communication, increasing productivity and efficiency. And from what I've been told, I'm certain that this group will achieve all of the above. As you all know, dealing with waste issues is significant to our community. They have told us they want us to be cleaner, greener and more innovative. Tonight, you'll get the chance to share your insights into data collection, use of sensor cameras, GPS and artificial intelligence in trucks, and reducing manual tasks in the collection of waste. I thank you for your time in helping us close this loop, and I look forward to your creative and thought-provoking ideas. Good luck.
30% of our customer service calls are waste service related. So I think it's fair to say that waste is probably one of the more popular services that we give to the community. Our waste service makes up 20% of our operational budget, which equates to a whopping $65 million. We have the highest contamination rates in our recycling bins in New South Wales. We have a population of over 365,000 people. I've been told that's more than the population of Tasmania, if not just as much, so that's a bit crazy. But of which 44% of our population were born overseas. So we have an immensely diverse and complex community whereby one standard approach of communication just isn't going to cut it. We put people first. Everything designed, tested and piloted in this project was based off of human-centered design. That was paramount in everything that we did. And we wanted to automate the manual. We wanted to give our people the chance to do more meaningful work. Well, I'm happy to say and happy to share that our project Closing the Loop on Waste has delivered world-first results. Our greatest achievement to date has been our artificial intelligence software, and it's given us visibility of those incidents 130 times faster. So what once took our sustainability and engagement team 5 years to check every single bin in the local government area is now taking us a fortnight, and that's incredible.
So here are the challenges we want you to address. As a team, we want you to come up with and pitch a solution at the end of the day. Now, the first step is making sure you really understand the problem.
I think that one of the reasons for that was when we were talking to the council, they were sort of identifying some of the things that they'd already tried and some of the problems that they were having with that. I think it's really hard to let go of I think you need to learn to let go of things.
There are a lot of technology that the council is already trialling. It's just really hard to get the residents to agree to use any of them.
A lot of people that actually never had contact with any sorting of trash, the entire waste system at home or where they come from actually did not exist in the same way. So it's actually meaningful to set them up for success.
It's really hard to solve, the whole thing, but can we solve just one part of it? I'm going to start us off with an activity just to get us in the right energy, and it's going to be silly and it's going to be noisy.
Yes, and we can ensure that local suppliers can be part of the supply chain to those supermarkets.
Yes, and we could have kids getting online and actually requesting things.
Yes, and because they're suffering from the problems of hunger, that probably means there's some element of poverty.
Right, so the enthusiastic yes and the enthusiastic and.
Just quickly rushing through everything you just said on the slide and trying to get it done by 3:15. We might go, there might be some radio silence until 3:15.
Yeah, I think we're on track. Yeah, we're on track. We don't need any help.
We are in our ideation stage. We have a short list, so we don't have our one solution big idea yet, but we're going to get there in time to pitch.
Yes, we're doing amazingly. So we found a really, really good solution for the council to deal with, to identify bins. And now it's this thing of putting everything together in a pitch deck and then ready to rock and roll. That's it.